Good evening, students. Today I am going to share Ctet syllabus, so it will be very easy for you to prepare from beginning. Okay, so first I will share you child pedagogy and development. In a child pedagogy, we have to study a basic about development and its relationship with the learning. Okay, and next we have to prepare about the principle of development. Ctet is mostly about child psychology. So everything what we will study, it will be about children. Okay, and next third topic is influence of heredity and environment. Fourth is socialization process, and fifth, that is very important, you can mention here Piaget, Kohlberg and Vygotsky theory. It is very important in any examination of a teaching. Okay, so here we have to study about construction and the critical perspectives of their theory, Piaget, Kohlberg and Vygotsky theory. And later on we have to study about child center and progressive education, and then about the critical perspective of the construct of intelligence, multidimensional intelligence, that is also very important. Okay, most of the questions asked from this topic, so I'm going to mention which will be very important. That is, you can mention here that these three are very important. You can write here very important. Okay, and yeah, here this also, it is also very important. Language and thought, gender of a social construct, gender role, gender bias and educational practice, individual differences among learners, understanding differences based on diversity of language, caste, gender, community, religion, its distinction between assessment for learning and assessment of learning, school-based assessment, and continuous comprehensive evaluation perspective and practices, and formulating appropriate quotient for assessing readiness level of learners, for enhancing learning and critical thinking in the classroom, and for assessing learner achievement. And in a B topic, concept of inclusive education, this is also very important. I am going to mention here that this topic is also very important. So here we have to focus the most. Addressing learner from diverse background, including disadvantaged and deprived, addressing the needs of children with learning difficulties, impairment, it's addressing the talented, creative, especially able learner. This is also very important. It is also very important topic. Learning and pedagogy, this is C topic. How children think, learn, and this is a basic thing we have to learn about children. Okay, basic process of teaching and learning, child as a problem solver and a scientific investigator, alternative conception of learning in children, cognition and emotion factor contributing to learning, personals and environmental. Okay, and the second part of language, Hindi and English language. It is very common in English and Hindi language. Passage and prose will be asked, and some question like 5 or 10 question. Basically 10 question is from they will give a paragraph of poem and a paragraph of passage, and you have to read first, and then after you have to guess the answer from the paragraphs. Okay, so and grammar, but grammar are also basics grammar, so you need not to disturb yourself for language paper most, but you have to prepare for child psychology, mathematics, and EVS. That is very important topic. Okay, so I'm not focusing on language part. It is also important, but not more than the mathematics, EVS, and child psychology. Okay. Okay, so fourth topic, that is mathematics. It is very important.